welcome to today's EVS class. Children, in the last class we have finished the unit 3 about which chapter? What is the title of this lesson? Plants of backyards, isn't it? So in the previous class we finished the unit 3, that is plants of backyards. So under the chapter we learned so many things about plants, isn't it? So we learned which are the different five types of plants, isn't it? 5 different types of plants we learned. So the plants, I told you, plants are classified into 5 types based on their height and strength or hardness of the stem. So which are those 5 types of plants, children? Herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, climbers. Then we studied about parts of plant. So everything we studied about in the previous class, and we came to know that fruits are in of different colors, flowers are of different colors, isn't it? Then leaves are different shape and size, but the color of leaves are always green. Generally leaves are in green color only, but the size and shape of the leaves are different from each other, isn't it? All these things we learned in the previous lesson. So today I am going to start a new chapter, that is unit 4. This is also related to our plants only. So I already told you we get different things from different parts of plant, isn't it? So whatever food, most of the food items we used, we get from plants only, isn't it? So we get food from different parts of plant. So from root part of the plant also we get some food items, from stem part, from leaf, flower, fruit, vegetables, isn't it? So we depend most on the plants only. So whatever food items we use in our life, day-to-day life, all the things, most of the things we get from plants only, and few things from animals. So today we are going to study about the use of plants, and I already told you we are depending on plants, okay, for many things. So let's know under the chapter of unit 4. The title of unit 4 is We Are For You. So here who is telling we are for you means plants and trees are telling that we are for you. You means for us. So we get so many things from plants and animals. Not only food items, we get also other items from plants and trees which we use in our daily lives. So let us learn what are the things we get from plants and trees. So already I told you, so we depend on plants. So in our daily life, so in this chapter we are going to identify the dependency of plants for our daily life. So in our daily life we are depending on plants for most of the things. Not only food items, we get other items also from plants which is necessary in our life. So what are those things? Everything we are going to learn under this chapter. Okay, so the title of the unit 4 is We Are For You. The plants and trees are telling we are for you. We are ready to serve you. So because plants, I already told you, we get so many things from plants. Most of the things we get from plants only, isn't it? So what are the things we get from plants? Everything we are going to study under the chapter We Are For You. So here some writings are given, children. So we will solve that one. So please open your textbook, page number 36. So please open your EVS textbook. You are all having EVS textbook. Please open your EVS textbook, page number 36. So here two riders are given. So first rider I am going to read. So you have to solve that riders. Okay. Shall I start reading? So first I will read it, whatever is given in your textbook. So by using the clues you have to find out which item this is or which tree that is. Okay. Nanna kai bahala ruchi. So look at your textbook, children. So please open your textbook. I already told you, page number 36. Nanna kai bahala ruchi. Elaniru bahala sihi. ಒಣಗರಿಗಳು ಸೌದೆಗೆ, ಎಲೆಯ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಪೊರಕೆಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ನಾರು ಚಾಪೆಗೆ, ಉಳಿದದು ಅಗ್ಗಗೆ, ನಾನು ಯಾರು. So it is they are given in Kannada only, but they are written in English. So I will read once again. ನನ್ನ ಕಾಯಿ ಬಹಳ ರುಚಿ, ಎಳನೀರು ಬಹಳ ಸಿಹಿ, ಒಣಗರಿಗಳು ಸೌದೆಗೆ, ಎಲೆಯ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಪೊರಕೆಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ನಾರು ಚಾಪೆಗೆ, ಉಳಿದದು ಹಗ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರು. So this fruit, so the fruit which we get from this tree is very sweet. So they are telling kai. So we use this fruit or whatever kai they told for cooking purpose. So for cooking, in cooking we use this tengin kai we told, no. So that we use in cooking, isn't it, to prepare a sambar or whatever, isn't it? So elaniru means tender coconut. So we drink every day. So isn't it? It is very very good for our health. So whatever that tender coconut get from this tree is very tasty, sihi, sweet and tasty, and it is also good for our health. So the dry leaves of this tree we are using as to fire, okay, to light a fire. So the dry leaves of this tree we use to light a fire. Then ನನ್ನ ನಾರು, ಎಲೆಯ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಪೊರಕೆಗೆ, the leaves, the sticks which we get from these dry leaves we used to make a broom. Broom means porke, okay. Then the sticks of leaves make a broom, then my husk can make a mat. So here naru, fiber husk what we get from coconut. So after opening that one, that husk we get, no, we used to make a mat, etc. Then rest of the things we used to make a rope or some other mats, coir mats we use, no. So that all coir mats or rope we made by using this husk of this tree. So which tree this is? They have given in a picture. This is a coconut tree. Very good. So this is a coconut tree. That's whatever the space they have given, you write in the space. Coconut tree. That is a coconut tree. Okay. Have you seen coconut tree, children? It is very tall, isn't it? It's very tall. The tender coconut we drink, isn't it? So it's very very sweet, tasty and good for our health. So instead of using this juice, artificial cool drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Mirinda, whatever we drink, so instead of that we have to drink tender coconut. It is very very sweet, tasty and good for our health. Okay, all these are natural things we get, isn't it? Then the coconut we use for cooking purpose. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ. So ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಗೋದು ಎಳನೀರು means tender coconut. So for ಎಳನೀರು in English we call it as a tender coconut. It is very sweet, tasty, isn't it? So then that kai what we used, so coconut use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ for cooking purpose. So to prepare dishes, sweets we use that coconut. You all know for what purpose your mother is going to use coconuts, isn't it? To make a sambar or a sweets or to rice, isn't it? So we can prepare a very tasty dish by using the coconut. Then the dry leaves of these trees. Have you seen the coconut trees leaves? They are very big, isn't it? The dry leaves, after this leaves was dry, we used to light the fire. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಲೆ ಕಾಯಿಸಿ ನೀರು ಕಾಯಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಲೆಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಡ್ರೈ coconut. So even not only dry ಎಲ್ಲ, so when it was green before drying, so ಒಳಗೆ ಮೊದಲ ಹಸಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, so we used to make that what we call chapra, for example huts, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಗರಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ತೆಂಗಿನ ಗರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರದ ಗರಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು, ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ, ಸೊ ಚಪ್ರ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಡ್ರೈ, ಸೊ ಅವನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಲೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಎಲೆಯ ಕಡ್ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಲೀವ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಡ್ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಲೀವ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನೈಫ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಡ್ರೈ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೂಮ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೂಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಂದರೆ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರಲ್ವ, ಸೊ ಕಸ ಗುಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಪೊಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. To make a broom we use that sticks. Okay, then the tusks. So after ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ that fiber ನಾರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so we use that tusk ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಹಸ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್, ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ರೋಪ್ಸ್, ಹಗ್ಗಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾರು ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿನ ಫುಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾರು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಹಸ್ಕ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್, ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಗಳು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರೋಪ್ಸ್ ಹಗ್ಗಗಳು, ದೆನ್ ಚೀಲಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ರೋಪ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಗ್ಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಟೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕೌ, ಬಫೆಲೋ, ಆಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ವೆಲ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೆಲ್, ಸೊ ಬಾವಿ ನೀರು ಸೇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರದಿಂದ ನಾರಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರದ ನಾರಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಕಾಯಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡ್ರೈ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಹಸ್ಕ್ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಅವರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಆನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವಲಂಬಿಸಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್, ಅದರ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, what do I give you? Think and write. So from this coconut tree, what are the things you will get? You have to think and write. So like we get coconut, jute, is it a tender coconut we get? So what are the things? Fruits, some vegetables or not vegetables, that tender coconuts we get from the coconut tree. So what are the things you get from? And we get sticks to make up brooms, dry sticks, isn't it? What are the things you get from coconut tree? You have to write in the space. Okay, in the next page there is another riddle. Let's see and solve it. I am going to read that one. ರುಚಿ ರುಚಿ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಕಾಯಿಯ ಪಲ್ಯ, ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಗಳು, ನಾರಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ, ನಾನು ಯಾರು? This is a riddle, we have to solve it. Okay, ರುಚಿ ರುಚಿ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಕಾಯಿಯ ಪಲ್ಯ, ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಗಳು, ನಾರಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ, ನಾನು ಯಾರು? So the fruit, whatever we get this from this plant is very tasty. Okay, then from raw fruit ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಹಸಿ ಕಾಯಿ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ರಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಲ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಾಳೆ ದಿಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಗಳು, the leaves of these plants we use to serve food. The fiber of these plants, naar, what we call, we use to make clothes. Then who am I? So which plant this is? They have already given in your textbook the picture. The leaves of these plants we use to serve food. So ಊಟ ಬಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಊಟ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಗಿಡದ ಎಲೆನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಗಿಡದ ಎಲೆನ ಊಟ ಬಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬನಾನಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬನಾನಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ರುಚಿ ರುಚಿ ಹಣ್ಣು, isn't it? The banana fruit is very tasty. So there are varieties of banana fruits. So ವಿವಿಧ banana ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಕೆಲವು ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಬಾಳೆ, ರಸಬಾಳೆ, ಪಚ್ಚಬಾಳೆ, ಸುತ್ತದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೇಂದ್ರ ಬಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಬಾಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪುಟ್ ಬಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಬನಾನಾ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬನಾನಾಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಬಾಳೆ, ಪಚ್ಚಬಾಳೆ, ರಸಬಾಳೆ, ನೇಂದ್ರ ಬಾಳೆ, different type of bananas we get. Okay, all the fruits, types of fruits are very tasty and they are very good for our health. So for digestion, so every day you have to eat one banana after having your lunch. Okay, it is very good for digestion. Okay, that's why in every functions they will serve one banana during the lunch or dinner time. Isn't it? Have you observed everyone, if you have gone for a function, I have said every function during the lunch, after the lunch they will serve one banana because it is very good for health and for digestion. Okay, then ಕಾಯಿಯ ಪಲ್ಯ. ಸೊ ದ ರಾ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್, ಬಾಳೆ ದಿಂಡು, ಬಾಳೆಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಅದು ಕಾಯಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಬಾಳೆಕಾಯಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ. ಸೊ ರಾ ಇದು ಬನಾನಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನು ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಾಳೆಕಾಯಿ, ಬಾಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬಾಳೆಕಾಯಿ ರಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬನಾನಾ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ರಾ ಬನಾನಾ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಾಳೆಕಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಗಳು. ಸೊ ದ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಾಳೆ ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದ ಫೈಬರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅದು ತೆಗೆದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರುಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪಯೋಗ ನಮಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟು ಸಹ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೊಂದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಬನಾನಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಗಿಡ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಇದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ನಾವಿರೋದೇ ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಬನಾನಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಹಣ್ಣು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ರಾ ಫ್ರೂಟು ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಪ್ ಆಗೋದು ಹಸಿ ರಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ರೈಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅನ್ರೈಪ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಾಳೆಕಾಯಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆನ ಊಟ ಬಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಳೆ ದಿಂಡು ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಆ ದಿಂಡಲ್ಲೂ ಪಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ನೇಮ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಬೌವ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. Which plant this is, children? In this picture, which plant is this? Banana. So you have to write banana plant. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana plant. Okay, so you have to write. Next, what are the advantages of these plants? Advantages means uses. So ಈ ಗಿಡದಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇದೆ? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ good for our health. Then raw unripe fruit na ನಾವು to make a chips ಅಥವಾ ಪಲ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ನ ಫುಡ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೇ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬೇರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್. ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಬಿಡುವಂಥ ಮರಗಳ ಹೆಸರು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ. ಸೊ banana plant, okay. Next, apple, mango, orange, pomegranate, chiku, jackfruit, isn't it? So all these things we get from a tree, isn't it? Plant or tree. Apple tree you will say. Then chiku. So it is not a big tree. It will be orange, pomegranate. Jackfruit tree is a big tree, isn't it? Jackfruit, orange, chiku, apple, mango tree is also a big tree. So all these trees are fruit bearing trees. Next, ask and know the name of plants whose leaves are used to serve food. So to serve a food, which plant or trees leaves we use to we use banana plant, isn't it? If as I ask your elders, your father, mother, your grandparents, if any other trees plant leaves also used for serving food except banana, if there is any other plant leaves we are using to serve food, you can ask. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಮರದ ಅಥವಾ ಗಿಡದ ಎಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಬಡಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ಸಾ ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ jackfruit, so they will what they will stitch it. So by using small stick they will make all the leaves, they will collect small leaves and they will join one by one and they will make as a plate. Okay, so that by using that jackfruit leaves also they will in some way, I have seen in some places, they in that leaves also they will serve food. So by joining them and making them as a big plate. Okay, so in ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ jackfruit leaves ಅಂದರೆ ಹಲಸಿನ ಮರದ ಎಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂಥರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಥರ ಹೊಲಿದು ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಊಟ ಬಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಬಟ್ I saw this one, okay, which were jackfruit leaves or trees leaves also used. Okay, next, so we get fruits, firewood, coir, etc. from plants. So by solving this two trials we came to know, so we use fruits, vegetables, food grains, isn't it? So from this part of the plant we use different things. So I already told you in the previous class only, most of the food items we get from plants and trees only. So we get food grains from plants, isn't it? Fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, food grain, green leaves. Okay, then also some medicines also we prepared by using some plants and trees. Okay, so and then we prepare manure or fertilizers by using the plants, dry leaves of the plants. Then for coir means this fiber, jute we used to make up mats or bags, isn't it? Jute bags you have heard. So all these things we get from plants. And firewood means sawdust, and wood to construct a house. All these things we get, not only food items, children, other items also we get, like firewood to light the fire, isn't it? Sawdust. Then we get manure by collecting the dry leaves of the plants. So we can prepare a manure also, copra. So then the coir or fibers from the fiber of the plants. So jute, fiber, cloths ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು bags, jute bags ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, baskets ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, so rope ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So like that each and every part of a plant is useful for us. Okay, next, so in your textbook some plants and trees pictures are given here, children. So you have to identify which plant or which tree this is. Okay, so please open your textbook, page number 38. So here the pictures of some fruits or vegetables they have given here. So you have to identify which or what that plant or what that fruit or what that vegetable is. Okay, the first one, this is a papaya plant. Very good. Then groundnut, kadle beej, so groundnut. Then jola, grape, this is a creeper, is it? Grapevine. Then brinjal, tomato, chili, green chili. Then snake garlic, it is also a climber. Snake garlic, padavalkai. This is a ginger, onion, then paddy, then coriander. So all these things, so we get from plants only. We get fruits, vegetables, pulses, fruit grains, cereals, green leaves, and we get firewood, we get wood from plants, we get some medicines also from plants. Medicine directly we are not getting the medicines. By using the different parts of plants we can prepare medicines. Then manure we can prepare by using the plants and dry leaves. Okay, so all these things we get from plants only. So next, write the names of 5 grains, 5 fruits and 5 vegetables that you have eaten. So which 5 fruits you have eaten, which 5 vegetables you have eaten, and which 5 food grains. Food grains means dawasa dhanyalu, rice, ragi, paddy, wheat, millet, jowar. So maize, all these are food grains. We have to write 5 food grains which you have eaten. You have to write the names of 5 fruits which you have eaten and 5 vegetables. Okay, till here I will stop. So in the red color they have given in the box, children, we get grains, food grains, dawasa dhanyalu, like rice, dal, wheat, ragi, and vegetables like greens, peas, carrot, fruits like grapes, orange from plants, isn't it? I already told you in the previous class. So we get fruits, vegetables, pulses, green leaves, food grains, cereals, nuts, spices, coffee, tea, everything we get from plants only. So that's why I told you most of the food items we get from plants. Now from this lesson you are learning that not only food items, other items also we get from plants, like firewood to light a fire. Firewood means sawdust. Then wood to construct construct a house, whatever furnitures we make from, like table, chair, that's furniture, sofa set, whatever you use. And to construct a house, to make a window, doors, we use wood. From where we get that wood? From plants and trees only, isn't it? Then we also get coil, fibers, jute, then manure, medicines. All the things were prepared by using the different parts of a plant. So that's why we are depending on plants and trees only, children. So without plants and trees, we can't survive. So not only for food items, for other items also, we are depending on a plant only. Whatever book, paper, they are also made from plants only. And whatever used to erase mistakes, there is eraser, also made from the rubber plants. Okay, so all these things, most of the things, not only food items, the other items also, whatever we use in our daily lives, like to make a table, chair, bench, whatever we sit, furnitures we use, they also made of wood, which we get from plants and trees only. Then to manure. So to make a manure, we need a different, like dry leaves we use to make a manure. So like that, other parts, even medicines, some medicines also we use made by using some plants like neem, tulsi, pudina, pepper. In the next class I am going to tell which plants we use to make a medicines, everything. Okay, so keep it in your mind, most of the food items and other items also we get from plants. So we are depending on plants and trees only. Okay, till here I will stop today's class. In the next class I am going to tell you other importance of plants and trees, which plants are used for making medicines, or which flowers and fruits are used. So even flowers are used to make different things. So what are the useful of flowers? Everything I will tell you in the next class. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Take out your textbook and go through once and complete the textbook activity. See you everyone.